On the ground, on the ground, on the ground, on the ground, on the ground.
What would you do if someone claiming to be law enforcement called, saying you had an active arrest warrant and needed to pay thousands of dollars immediately to avoid jail? Most of us would panic, but one Florida resident did something smarter. He called the real police, and what happened next turned into a textbook sting operation. This is the story of how one phone call, one empty envelope, and a little patience brought down a scammer in Palm Coast, Florida. August 18th, 2025, a Flagler County resident picks up the phone and hears a voice claiming to represent the Flagler County Sheriff's Office. The message is urgent and terrifying. There's a warrant for your arrest. Pay $5,000 right now, or deputies are coming to take you to jail. But here's where this story takes a different turn. Instead of panicking, the victim recognizes the red flags. Law enforcement doesn't call demanding Bitcoin payments. They don't threaten you over the phone and give you a payment plan to avoid arrest. So the victim does exactly what you should do in this situation, hangs up and calls the sheriff's office directly. When detectives hear what's happening, they don't just file a report, they see an opportunity, they ask the victim to play along and keep the conversation going. The voice on the phone first demands the money be sent through a Bitcoin ATM. When the victim hesitates, the instructions change. Put cash in an envelope and leave it in a mailbox on Wellhaven Lane. Here's where it gets interesting. Detectives place an empty envelope in that mailbox and wait. Moments later, a young man approaches, grabs the envelope, and walks away. Almost immediately, the phone rings again. The voice is furious, yelling, angry that the envelope was empty. But the victim stays calm, apologizes, and promises to leave the real money this time. The bait is set again. When the same man returns to the mailbox for a second time, deputies move in. 24-year-old Tory Harvey is taken into custody on the spot.
Okay, so I just got more information. I didn't really have a whole lot of information, but because you're in handcuffs, like I said, I'm gonna make sure you're aware of your rights. Okay, you don't have it memorized. I'm gonna go off my little card here. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have it present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights. So you can stop being screened at any time, or you can decide. Do you have any questions about those rights or anything I need to go in more detail? And you're okay with talking to me with those rights in mind? Okay. And what's your first name?
Tory.
Tory? How old are you?
24.
Have you ever been in trouble or?
Back in 2019.
Yeah. So I'm going to be honest with you, with these cases that we work that you're kind of getting accused of and gotten in the middle of, these are usually a lot of different moving parts, and a lot of times people that really aren't full-blown criminals get tied up in the mix because they need a little money, is what I normally see. I don't have the details of this case, I just have enough to be able to talk to you, and the sergeant's on his way and he can go over more details with you. As of right now, I've already seen the footage of you involved in this now, so can you tell me exactly, I mean, we've already seen you go in the mailbox and you know what's going on, but I want to hear how much they've got you involved in it.
I just got a call like this morning from one of my homeboys in prison.
Okay.
And he was like telling me somebody's gonna put some money in the mailbox. Just get it. So I wanted to get it.
Okay.
I didn't know it was like a scam or anything like that.
Gotcha. And I would assume that money's probably supposed to go on his books.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's normal. And then you get a little bit of it, right?
Yeah.
How much was your cut?
Probably, because I don't know how much was the money exactly, but he said I was gonna get like what, 10% of it or something.
Okay. So is it like 1,000 or?
Probably. It depends on like what they put in.
And how well do you know this guy, or is he just a friend of a friend?
Just a friend of his. Like, I don't really know him.
How did he get a hold of you?
On Instagram.
Instagram? Okay. So he's got obviously a phone in the prison or jail or what have you, and that's normally how it works. Has he ever lived here?
I don't think so.
No. And you have your phone on you?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's the one that he hit up? Is the phone that you had? Or was that a different phone?
The phone.
Instagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Is your Instagram on your phone?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's your Instagram handle?
What you mean? Like my name?
Mm-hmm.
LIL Tory _77.
LIL Tory _7
77.
777?
No, just 27.
Just 2 sevens. Okay. So there was somebody talking while you were getting the money. Was that you?
No, I haven't been on the phone.
Because what happened when you first went in the mailbox?
There wasn't nothing in there.
What was in there?
Yeah.
Where is that?
I brought it away.
At your house?
No, not at my house.
Where did you go after you? Because you moved quick.
I moved quick.
Yeah.
I had went to my house.
See,
But I don't
big
have
on
any
your
money
house.
though.
I know, yeah. What'd you have?
Nothing.
Where'd you throw it away at?
Somebody just wipe my, I just wipe my face with it, man. For real.
Okay, so then who yelled? Well, I mean, it's, you know what, not for nothing. I don't know that I would have done anything different if somebody offered me for, you know.
I'm kind of, my job want to give me 7 hours and shit this week.
Where are you working?
At Cracker Barrel.
Your dishes or cooking?
It's real both. I cross them.
How long you been there?
60 something. My mom with the corporate. My mom, she works corporate.
Really? Awesome. What do you have on you right now? Anything?
No, they took it. So I don't like that, man.
So you made it home after you got the fake job, basically, which is what? Fake job. We're standard. So who, and from what, and I don't have this detail, I'm hoping you can explain it to me, but apparently the minute you got your paper towels, they knew, like immediately. So is there one more person besides you? Because you didn't look like you were on your phone.
Tomorrow, y'all, first time?
Yeah, who are you telling?
I was on the phone with my homeboy in prison.
Okay.
I guess somebody he knows. I guess it was somebody that he knows that was doing it.
So the homeboy in prison
He has a homeboy.
has somebody that's free?
No, yeah, they all in jail.
They're all in jail. Oh, so the other guy was on the phone with the guy doing this. So how did you get the information back so quickly to him that it was paper towels?
Because I was on the phone with him.
Were
Because
like
I was-
actively on the phone or Instagram?
I was on the phone. No, not like a phone call or Instagram. Because I'm thinking like it's legit. I'm thinking it's like his money. Like I didn't know it was a scam.
And how are you going to get the money back to him?
I was gonna put it in Bitcoin.
Bitcoin? God, I don't know anything about Bitcoin. What do you know about Bitcoin?
Not too much.
How do you even get it? Through the,
It's like an ATM or something.
so you can do it on your phone?
No, you have to like put the cash in the box. And I guess it goes to his account or something.
Where's the box?
It's at a store, like certain stores.
How does he trust you?
Because I know him, but I don't know his friend. His friend was the one kind of like
What's his name?
orchestrated.
Okay, so your boy is not even orchestrating all of it. Okay, so what's your friend's name?
My friend name is Blue.
Below?
But it's not like a long-term friend. I just know him like.
So how does he trust you not to take money?
He thought I took it. He really thought I took it. I said,
What was
I
going
don't
to
got
be the
it.
consequence?
They can't do nothing. They locked up. But he thought I took money for myself. But I'm telling him, like, I don't got no money.
Okay.
I'm broke. I don't have no money.
What did he say the money was going to be in?
In an envelope or something.
Okay. And then he gave you the address of what?
5-3, I think. 5-3. Like,
What even?
Wellhaven. Yeah, this
Wellhaven.
During questioning, Harvey admits he wasn't the mastermind. He wasn't even the voice on the phone. He was just the middleman, the guy collecting envelopes for someone else. A friend, he said, who was incarcerated in Georgia. His cut? 10% of whatever they stole.
So what, like, this happened a lot?
Yeah.
And I just got caught in the middle of it.
Yeah, because
They think I do it all the time.
I don't know. I know that I usually get the calls like a lot later. We don't normally get to meet the people, but there are usually 3 or 4 people involved. But the saddest part about it is when they take advantage of like really old people that will.
Like, it's an old person?
I don't even know because I was already out in the field, so I didn't get information from the victim. But what I normally see, to be honest with you, is like these poor old people think they're in trouble and they'll wipe out their entire like retirement account and lose all the money. It's the saddest thing I've ever seen. So yeah, and it typically is.
People are hard.
Oh my god, it's bad. It's like
It's people, like, it's money.
I mean, it definitely makes sense. You don't know how much it was though. I had to have been enough to make. I don't know. Had to have been enough to be worth it though. So, how many people from Georgia are here that were friends? Or you just come by yourself?
Yeah, I don't have no family out here, so
How long did you live here?
since December.
Would you say your address was on Wilhelm?
I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I stay on what I ain't
Where
but I ain't getting no money
Well, I
though.
mean,
I just don't want my family to kind of know that I'm tired of.
For that 10%, Harvey now faces 2 felonies. Organized scheme to defraud and unlawful use of a two-way communication device. He was booked, later released on a $5,000 bond, and the investigation continues as authorities search for his co-conspirators. So what can we learn from this? First, legitimate law enforcement will never call you demanding immediate payment to avoid arrest. They don't accept Bitcoin, they don't ask for gift cards, and they definitely don't tell you to leave cash in a mailbox. Second, if you get a call like this, hang up and call the agency directly using a number you find yourself, not one the caller gives you. Third, don't be embarrassed to report it. This victim's quick thinking didn't just protect his own money, it helped catch a criminal and potentially saved others from falling for the same scam. And finally, never agree to be the middleman in someone else's scheme. Harvey thought he was just helping a friend and earning a little cash. Now he's facing felony charges that could follow him for life. No amount of quick money is worth that. Scams like this are happening every single day, all across the country. They prey on fear, confusion, and urgency. But when you know what to look for, you can protect yourself and others. If this video helped you or someone you know, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future breakdowns like this. Drop a comment if you've ever received a scam call. I'd love to hear your story. And remember, when something sounds too urgent, too threatening, or too good to be true, pause, verify, and protect yourself. Stay safe out there.
How old are you?
24.
All right, sir, I'm going to ask you some questions and we'll get you out, all right?
All right.
Are you right or left-handed?
Right.
Any military martial arts training?
No, sir.
Anything on you that you shouldn't have? Pills, knives, guns, knives, hand grenades, or bazookas?
No, sir.
Do you feel like hurting yourself?
No,
Do
sir.
you feel like hurting me?
No, sir.
All right, let's get you out. You want them all? No.